In this video, I'll show you how to set up TradingView Paper Trading. Start by signing into your TradingView account and open any market chart. For this example, search for AAPL and open the Apple stock chart. Next, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click the Trading Panel tab. After that, find Paper Trading in the list of available brokers and click Connect. Now a paper trading account will be created automatically with virtual funds. Click Continue or Connect if you're prompted to confirm the connection. Next, place a practice trade by clicking Buy or Sell on the chart or in the order panel. For example, enter a quantity of 10 shares and submit the order to see how paper trading works without risking real money. Finally, monitor your positions, orders, and account balance in the trading panel as you continue practicing your trading strategies. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up TradingView Paper Trading. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.